In this video, I will share you how to write effective and attractive Google ad copy. Before starting video, let me introduce myself. My name is Amin. I am a top-rated digital marketing specialist. If you need any help, let me contact on my WhatsApp number or email. Thank you so much. So, in this tutorial, I will share you how to write effective Google ad copy using ChatGPT. Just I show you. I use a pop-up. This is keyword. Write Google ad copy based on this keyword. Then I have used quotation and I paste the all keyword, and they write 3 headline, 1 description, 3 headline, 1 description, 3 headline, 1 description, and everything is most relevant and attractive ad copy that will bring a more result or click. So if you want, you can use ChatGPT, write ad copy very easily. Thank you so much. Hopefully this video useful for you. If you need any help, let me contact. Thank you so much.